Hi, Parker. It's Grandma. I just wanted to tell you good night, and I want to introduce you to my new friend. Are you ready? Come on over here, Charlie. Meet my grandson, Parker. There's Charlie. He's my new friend. You can meet him next time you come to Grandma's house. Hi, Grandma Josie. Hi, Parker. It's nice to see you. I'll be seeing you this weekend. Okay, I'm going to go to bed now. Okay, Charlie, good night. Good night, Parker. I'll see you later. Yeah, your grandma's kind of crazy.